Hey guys, Janice Lamb here and Levi.
Hello.
Here with Everyday Chaos. I just wanted to let you know that Mondays will be Workout Madness, and they'll be more geared towards kids workouts, but they're for everybody. And if you want other workouts, just check out the Janice Lamb on the Bedroom workouts. They are the first videos, so they're kind of dark and, you know, it's quiet. But anyways, just put on your own music. And then Wednesdays will be Crafty Wednesdays, and Fridays are Food Fridays. So today is Friday, and it's Food Friday. So what are we making today, Levi?
Fat bombs.
Fat bombs, which are?
Reese's.
They're like Reese's. They're keto style, so let's get that going. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey guys, we're back, and Mom's behind the camera, but this is comparison. Oh no!
All right, and we're back. So the ingredients, we got a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Go ahead and put that in, buddy. You probably want to use that knife and you can scoop it out. It won't come out unless you scoop it.
It's gonna come out.
It's not going to come out.
It's gonna come out.
No, it's not going to come out. It's not going to come out. It's definitely not going to come out.
It's gonna come out.
You got to just use the knife. You see that? And now he finally uses the knife. Uh-huh. What? I needed to give you the biggest spoon, okay? Okay, next we're going to need 2.5 tablespoons of Swerve's confection sugar.
Oh, of course this is 2.5.
No, that's not 2.5. That's just for stirring.
Now we start mixing.
Well, we still have to add some ingredients. Okay, next we got to have 2 tablespoons of the blanched almond flour, but I don't have almond flour. I do have coconut flour, so we're going to use that. You ready for that, bud? 1. 2. And it also said vanilla, so now we need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then
Vanilla ice cream?
no, you wish. They need it. Well, it's gonna be extra vanilla-y. They need to make a vanilla ice cream that's sugar-free, huh?
And then we just keep on stirring.
Mix it good. Mix it good.
Welcome to Levi's cooking show, where Mom behind the camera isn't doing anything.
Oh, well, I wanted you to have some fun this time. Here, it does say to do it till smooth. You want help? Gosh, do you want some help? Is your arm getting tired? That comes last. We have to melt that.
Do we need to put?
No. Ew. Why? Smudged. Okay, look. Now, time out, you. Can't do that. So now we're gonna roll these into balls, and we have to put them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay?
Peanut butter balls.
Okay, peanut butter balls. Let's show them how small. Okay? Like a little pinch about that size. Just roll it on up, because you want a lot. They're little, it's supposed to be bite size. Pop them in your mouth. Deliciousness. I mean, you could. It doesn't have no chocolate on it. Well, what do you think? Even without the chocolate's good? Do you like it better with the coconut flour? Really? Okay, I want to try. Oh yeah, that is way better. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on a plate, which I should have done that in the first place, but you know. And then we're gonna stick them in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna melt the chocolate and pour it on top. Okay, now in this clear bowl, we're going to melt the chocolate. Hold on. So usually, Levi, scissors help.
Right.
You forgot we had scissors? Who forgets that? Oof. All right, let's see here. What do you mean it doesn't work?
It doesn't look
So
familiar.
actually it says wait for 30 minutes and then do this part, so we're not going to melt it yet, but we will go ahead and add those in. Hold on. It says
I'm just gonna
a
add
quarter
them in.
cup. You only need a quarter cup. You only need this size amount. Pour it into here first and then pour it in. You rebel, you. Okay, good. That's perfect. And then you're gonna have 1.5 teaspoons of MCT oil, which is this. Don't add more.
We need a little more.
But don't add the MCT oil until after the chocolate chips are melted, okay? 45 seconds is how long you have to melt them. I'm gonna make him try something weird. I'm gonna make him try a peanut butter sandwich with potato chips.
The sandwich.
I didn't do nothing to the sandwich. I said I didn't do nothing to the sandwich. Try it, it's a bomb. Every now and then he's allowed to have potato chips. But try, no, don't, I will truly eat it. He didn't think I'll eat it. Try a bite, for real. No. Aww. That's a hairy floor. We can't trust this floor. Pink is too hairy. How mean, it's Food Friday. You gotta try new things. It's that doTERRA time. Come on over here, stop on by, get some of your oils, some palm oil, some mud masks or face routines. We got a lot going on over there. All the info on these right here in particular are in the description down below, and so is the link. Come check us out. Okay, so we're gonna melt the chocolate for 45 seconds. Stir it in, then we're gonna stir in the MCT oil. Okay, here's the MCT oil. Okay. Go ahead and put those in here and we'll smush them in and pull them around. And then you're just gonna plop them down. Okay, we'll speed this up.
Which one?
You can pick any one, but we'll go ahead and try them out. They're melty. Usually you just go let them set for a second, but he's got something to go do real quick.
Delicious.
Oh yeah, I like the coconut flour way better.
Uh-huh.
All right, you guys have fun.
Bye.